Whenever you have a new idea, one of the biggest hurdles is to convince other people that it actually is a good idea. Deister Electronic, I think you can call us the typical medium-sized German company. Our products are mainly used to secure buildings. What combines as a common basis for all our products is that everything is based on RFID technology. Working with my father, we found a good way to keep a good relationship as father and son, and also colleagues.
In the early days when we started, we were a pure electronic company. We developed electronics, put it in housing and sold products. That was our passion, let's say, for many years. Then we found out we were too easy to copy. Profits are made by those who manufacture products. That's why we had to be innovative from day number one. It's not like a shoemaker. He can do shoes maybe for 100 years the same way. Not in our world. Innovation is the one driving force. So what is the market missing? That was the first question.
These days everything becomes more electronic and more digital. The innovation in our product is to replace the analog or mechanical key that you need to open a door with an electronic key fob. We take the mechanical cylinder in the door out and put in a digital one that is battery powered, and the software can decide who goes in, who goes out. The innovation in the product brings more security to a door, because if somebody ever loses a key fob, you can just tell the software to lock that key fob out and the door is still secure without having to replace anything. We had to do a lot of new things, new wireless connection protocols and a whole bunch of other innovations. We had a hard time finding somebody to do our debt financing. The EU financial guarantee really made it possible for us to get a loan from the bank for this, and without it we would have had a hard time getting this product on the street. The loan wasn't just used on one single discipline. We used it for basically everything that is involved in launching a new product. And that even means that we used it to expand the team working on the product. So we created new jobs with this loan. Overall, you could say it's basically financing the product introduction into the market from A to Z. The whole company is somewhat family to us. It's family through and through, and I think as a company we benefit from this.